Stratified. What shape are the cells? Especially up here. So what's the name of this tissue?
Stratified squamous.
Stratified squamous epithelial tissue. Good. From here to here. All right, next.
Oh, go ahead.
Think about it.
That's
Right.
amphibian.
Don't blurt it out. Don't blurt it out.
Oh, don't blurt it out.
Simple columnar epithelial tissue. Very neat. Very neat. We hardly ever see tissue this neat on our slides.
That's
Also an epithelial tissue.
simple.
What is it? Simple squamous epithelial tissue. This is the top-down view. We're not actually getting the side view. We can't be certain, really, that it's a simple tissue. There could be extra layers underneath, but know that it never will be in here. This is simple squamous. Is that an epithelial tissue or a connective tissue? That arrow is pointing at the apical cell surface. The apical cell surface. So then it must be an epithelial tissue. This is the lumen here, the hollow organ. These cells are lining the lumens. What's the name of this tissue? Simple columnar. Good. Simple columnar epithelial tissue. These are all the nuclei, and the basement membrane is down here. Basement membrane is down here. Or the basement membrane is up here. These are the nuclei. Say it. I'll tell you that this is a lumen. This
Say
is
it,
a
don't spray it.
transverse section through a tube that would be coming out of the board at you. This is another transverse section through a tube. You get the point. Here's another one. Is it an epithelial tissue or a connective tissue? Epithelial tissue is lining a lumen. What type of tissue is it? Simple cuboidal. Good. Cuboidal. The giveaways are the nuclei are at all different heights, and it's ciliated. What type of tissue is this? Good. Pseudostratified columnar. It happens to be ciliated.
Go,
Girl.
Yeah.
All right. What is it?
Simple cuboidal.
Simple cuboidal. So here we're seeing a longitudinal section through a tiny tube, and here's the neighboring tube. So this is a lumen, this is a lumen, and this is simple cuboidal epithelial tissue. A beautiful example of it. You got it? What is it?
Pseudostratified.
Stratified. What shape are the cells, especially up here? Squamous. Stratified squamous epithelial tissue.
Stratified squamous.
This tissue we haven't seen in this view. This is the side view, not the top-down view. This is lung tissue. This is an air sac in your lung, and then this cell is connected to this cell. This is the nucleus of one cell to form an air sac. What type of tissue do you think it is? It's an alveoli. Alveolus, I guess is singular. So this is the portion of one air sac. Here's another air sac. It's one cell layer thick, and the cells are thin and flat. So what tissue type is this? Is it simple or stratified?
Simple.
And the cells are thin and flat. Squamous. So this is a side view of simple squamous epithelial tissue. It wasn't up here today, but this is what it looks like from the side. As if each one of these is like a floor tile that you're looking at from the side. So remember, this tissue is really good at diffusion. There's blood vessels in here, tiny capillaries that allow oxygen to cross into the blood. Good. Is compact bone an epithelial tissue or a connective tissue?
Connective.
Connective tissue. On the test, I'll ask you to
Okay.
include epithelial or connective tissue. Good string thing, it's that string thing. Where it's kind of like a Jackson Pollock. What is it? Areolar connective tissue, good.
Connective. Is that the one that had the smiley face?
No. Hyaline cartilage, these are chondrocytes embedded in a lacuna, and this is the extracellular matrix here. This is hyaline cartilage.
Hyaline cartilage.
You're getting good at kept going.
Mhm.
Adipose.
Adipose.
So each
Cells.
of these is an adipocyte. There's a fat droplet inside. This is a blood vessel. That's blood. You see, this is muscle in the wall of the blood vessel. What is it? Hyaline cartilage. Good. Again, these are chondrocytes. Here's the extracellular matrix. Areolar, the string thing.